All right, problem number 8. We have a total of 97,000 is to be invested in some bonds and some certificates of deposit, CDs. If the amount invested in bonds is to exceed that in CDs by 3,000, how much will be invested in each type of investment? Okay, so we have two types of investments going on. We have bonds and CDs. All right, so the question is how much will be invested in each type. So we need to come up with something that represents those. So I'm just going to use the letter B to represent bonds and the letter C to represent CDs. So we have the total at the very beginning. They told us that the total is 97,000. So whatever amount I put in the bonds plus the amount that I put in CDs, the total has to be 97,000. Okay? And then they tell me in the second sentence the amount invested in bonds. Okay, so bonds, the amount invested in bonds is to exceed. Usually that word is translates to equal. So this is kind of getting you in the habit of trying to write out equations from word problems. So bonds is to exceed CDs by 3,000. So bonds is equal to the CD plus 3,000 because it's going to be 3,000 more. All right, so we have two equations. Since bond is equal to C plus 3,000, to solve this we're going to do what we call substitution. So these two B's are the same. We're going to replace this B with this expression. So bringing this down, instead of B, we're going to input C plus 3,000. That's representing that B. And then plus C equals 97,000. All right. We don't have a number outside parentheses, so we don't have to distribute. We can just drop them. So we're looking at C plus 3,000 plus C equals 97,000. And then we're going to combine like terms. So we have a C here and a C here. There's two of them. So when we add those, there's 1C plus 1C gives us 2 C's. So we have 2C, 2 times the CDs, plus the 3,000, bring that down, is equal to 97,000. Alrighty. Now we're going to start solving for C. We're going to subtract 3,000. So C is by itself, and then we have to divide by 2. So subtract 3,000. Alright, the positive and negative goes to 0. Bring down 2C. And that equals 94,000. And then divide by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then divide by 2. And then we get C, the amount in the CD is, so half of 90 is 45, half of 4 is 2. So 47,000. And we can just double check just to be sure with our little basic calculator here. So we'll just double check and say 94,000 divided by 2. Alright, so yeah, 47,000. Okay, so the CD amount is 47,000. This is how much we put in CDs. We also have this equation at the top. So if CD is 47,000, we can figure out B. B equals C, which is 47,000 plus the 3,000. So just plug that in for C. So when we do that, we get that B is equal to 50,000. Alright, so that's our answer for B. So we got the 47,000 for the bonds and 47, so 50,000 for bonds and 47 for the CD. Alright, so that's the amount in both types. So CD is 47,000 and bonds was 50,000. And of course, if you plug those two in, you will add up and get 97,000.